So it's done. The Keurig is dead. There it is. This lasted us almost 10 years. The trusty Keurig. A lot of good times, but something's wrong. We descaled it many times and it just lost its power. So we had to get a new one. And Terry will be assembling the new one.
Yes.
Because she is the handyman. And there is the new boy. The K DUO. Look at that. Terry is now doing the unboxing of it.
Oh, the sweet potato smells so good.
Mm-hmm. Time for the unboxing. So does it look like there's like a lot of assembling?
No.
Oh.
Just a lot of, yeah, unpackaging.
I thought you were going to be like putting stuff together and everything.
No, it's not like a grill.
What the? I could have done this myself.
No, you couldn't have.
You don't think?
No.
No.
You need me.
Yes.
Gotta wash that.
Yep.
And
Was there anything else in there?
Nope, that's it.
You gotta be kidding me.
No. This is it.
What? So it's already assembled.
Yes.
It doesn't even take up a lot of space.
No.
Where's the water basin now?
In the back.
Okay. You don't think this is going to be a problem getting to it?
I don't know. I didn't really think about that.
Right.
Look, it's right there.
Pretty big. It's huge. I'll probably have to clean that too. There's usually a filter thing with it.
No, our old one was a filter one.
So wouldn't this?
Oh wait, yeah, where's that thing that goes on there?
I don't know. Well, time to read the instructions.
Yep.
All right.
That has nothing to do with it. This filter was sold separately because look, this bottom part here.
Is it
looks
identical
just
to
like
that? Can you put it on and see if it's universal?
Yeah.
That's upside down, I believe.
No, it's not. It is. It's perfect.
Really?
Yep. It's exactly
What
perfect.
about when the lid goes on?
Let's see. Lid fits.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that. Pretty cool.
Right now we are running the cleaning mode. We did the K-cup one, and now we're gonna have to do the cleansing brew for the carafe side. So that wasn't bad. It recommends you do a 6 ounce, and then for the heck of it, we did a 12. And it actually came out a lot better at the 12. What do you say?
I like it.
Did it smell normal or whatever?
Yeah, it smelled
It smelled
perfectly
normal
good.
the first time too, but they probably any dust or anything that accumulates or from packaging, you know, it's got to be run through.
I like it.
All right, now it's time for the craft part, huh?
Yes, I will set up.
Do not fill the filter basket with coffee grounds. Right. So it's clean in here.
We need to get paper, one of the filters.
For the, wait,
We put a coffee filter in first.
no, not for this. Do not put the filter basket with coffee grounds. Press the, I think it's just supposed to be plain. Doesn't say anything about putting a filter in it for the cleansing. Press the cups button to power on the craft side. Select the 6-cup brewing size. So press that. Now let's press the 6-cup. Press the flashing brew button to start a cleansing brew. The brew will remain solid while brewing. Brewing is complete when the cups button illuminates red. Pour the hot water out into the sink. Okay. Check this out. Terry has set the time. Now we're going to do an auto brew feature. So this is going to automatically make coffee for us at 4:45 in the morning.
AM.
AM. It's going to start making coffee.
And we want 6.
Yes. Bingo.
Oh, there, look, it's set. Yeah.
Set. So we preloaded that with coffee. Let it go. We filled up the basin with water. Let it go. And we filled it with our coffee of choice. We have some Italian roast in the morning. And we're going to have a nice hot coffee waiting for us
In the morning. Yeah.
And that is our Duo coffee. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned. I will be doing further updates, whether or not it came out good and we like it. So far, it's pretty cool. Oh, check it out. Coffee in the morning. Let's check it out. Smells good. Tastes good. Let's go. Fill me up. Oh, as you can see, this how I wake up. Look at that. Look at that. But if you're strong, patient, and kind, and you're gonna have a good day. Okay, the coffee's good. I like this coffee maker. Check out the Keurig Duo if you need one. Time to wake up and smell the coffee. Have a good one.